Move through the city, I'm in the whip. Interior red, we bullin' in here. I smoke out the pound, I smoke out the zip. Bitch, I smoking no cookie, drink lean like it's milk. This Glock holding 30, I bought a new.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J2Willie. Now I'm back with this video. Hey man, so today's video, as y'all can see by the title, but I'm bringing y'all another reaction. Now wait, before you get into this, y'all, let me know how y'all like this quality, bro. I just brought a new camera. Let me know how y'all like it. But today we finna react to Stormzy, Sounds of the Skeng. Is that how you say it? I don't even know how to pronounce that last word, but let me know in the comment section, am I pronouncing it right? Sounds of the Skeng. I really don't know, that's probably like some UK slang or something like that, but listen, the first time I reacted to Stormzy has set the bar for like all the UK rappers, so I mean, like, I feel like I can only react to him because if I listen to somebody else, it's probably gonna bring me down. So he had really set the bar high, so I done already reacted to one of his songs, so I know Stormzy snapped for real, you know what I'm saying? So let's hope in this song he go way harder. So without further ado, man, let's straight to this video. See what Stormzy got up for us, man. Let me get in the camera a little bit more. So what's Stormzy got?
It's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I work it. I switch rules, they jerk it. I flip more to reverse it. Don't go reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause it's like a bitch, I think remember kid look perfect. I'm gonna make it look perfect. Type already deserves it. See old school night just splurges. Please don't let them resurface. They go with the past. I go with the purpose. And then they go with the hardest.
Hey bro, I thought I was tripping when I thought that like Stormzy was like big as hell, like, you know, like he had like he looked like he was an athlete before, like before he started rapping. Y'all, excuse me for the lighting. I don't know like the setting on this camera. I gotta get used to it. I gotta like do something, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know about cameras, but yeah, like I was saying, Stormzy big as hell. But back to it though, man. Hey yo, I like how creative, like, you know, like his content is, like his music videos is not boring. But it's not flashy. Like at the same time, it's not flashy. Most rappers, when they want their stuff to be lit, you know, like they gotta have girls. Like Stormzy, he just like it just be him, his youngins, his homeboys, and then it just be him just like rapping, just, you know what I'm saying, just spitting. But like it's creative though. It's creative though. Like the stuff that's going on in the music video. But like I was saying about the lighting, cause like it's super dark, but y'all used to it being like super light. I gotta fix the setting on this camera, but back to it though.
We talking reps, we talking planks, all stats. I rude boy, you do the maths, right? Look, I got a living in sticks now. Really bring it out, but they think I'm quick now. Got no money and I got to look bricks now. Big flat view, but it's funny, fix now. The smoke, the steps, my swag, and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. But that boy got to the bag, you bitch now.
Y'all see how creative that is? You know what I'm saying? Like that's stuff that I'm talking about. Look how cocky. And he got a black beater on. I would not mess with him, man. Back to it.
Niggas know what it is now, but man might have to face some rush. Man might leave with the face on urge. Man just burn up the place and merge. Then man lift up the waist on shirt. You man ain't entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know what two hands work. I know that I know what two man's work. Just set now me again, this that. Shout to the Skeng, I move far on the turn, shout with the pen.
So creative, man. I guess it's different. Oh no, time on y'all. Hey y'all, let me know in the comments, is Stormzy the biggest UK rapper? Cause like when I typed up UK rappers, like, of course there was other rappers that popped up, but his was like the first three, like it was like 3 of his music videos that popped up. So let me know in the comment section, is Stormzy the biggest UK rapper ever? Let me know in the comments, man. Back to it.
Let me nigga that's this consistent. Let me nigga that's this on point. Throws, wrist on point. For the trolls, this on point. Then you're posting your list on point. Wait, now little niggas wanna diss this jerk. They're trying to figure out what is this jerk. Me and Flipper come and flip this jerk. What's this big like miss this jerk? Niggas trying to hit this jerk. And I knew it was a bang when I ripped this jerk. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic. They get in the
I know that he just, you know, like, I know that, you know, he probably threw the little boxing scene in there, or like he dressed up as a boxer for the music video. But let me know, do he really got a history of boxing? Because if he do, I can't believe that. And I believe he's probably 14-0, because dude, he is big as hell. But back to it. Big man don't need no assistance. You heard he said. Cocky, I heard on him, man. Shout out to Stormzy, man. Like, I feel like in his music, he a nice person, and outside of the music, he's a nice person. Like it just seemed like he just be around everybody, and like everybody just like respect him. You know what I'm saying? Like, just for him, like not as a rapper, but as a person. You know what I'm saying? He just seemed like a cool person. But you see the big old dog in the background. What's that cartoon that had that big old red dog? Like, I was young, but I used to watch that. But back to it, man. Kung Fu on that. That's dope with the little dog at it. Stormzy a goat. Alright, that was it for the music video. Now y'all see how the camera like is lighter now. Like, I don't know, I gotta get used to the camera. Like, I gotta know like how to make it more lighter than, you know, like when I'm in different positions. But anyway, this is about the music video. If I had to rate this song 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give Stormzy a good 10 out of 10. Like, my fault. Stormzy never disappointed me yet. Like, I know it's only been like 2 or 3 songs that I done listened to him, but all of them was fire. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, what can I say? I like the creativity, man. Like, whoever like I don't know if that's his ideas, you know, like to do the stuff or like the edits in the music video. But if it is, man, shout out to him, because that's like, it is creative. Like, it's different. Like, it's different from what other rappers are doing in their music videos. Most of them is just, you know what I'm saying, girls shaking their ass and, you know, hella money. My boy Stormzy, I don't even think I seen $1 in there. Like literally. My fault, y'all. I'm talking to the little camera that's on top, but I should be talking to the lens. But you know what I'm saying. But I gotta get used to that. But like I'm saying though, Stormzy, big up, man. Like I said, I haven't seen $1. I ain't see a penny in there. No, none of that. No blue strip. No girls. Probably was a girl in there, but no. You know what I'm saying. It wasn't no twerking. No, none of that. Like, it's just different, and it goes to show that people mess with him for, you know, like for him, like it's not because, well, probably like a little bit because of the music, but it's just for him as a person, because he's not trying to bring people attention to him while, you know, like he not trying to bring people onto him by doing like crazy stuff or like having like girls around him and stuff like that. It's just him and his homeboys, and it's just him and his raps, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to Stormzy, man. But alright, y'all, that was it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button. I know a lot of y'all was commenting. Y'all was saying, hey, Jay, react to UK drill rap. All you gotta do is smash the like button. Make sure y'all comment down. Make sure y'all share it if y'all new to the channel, man. Hit that subscribe button, and we out.
And if you're not gonna contribute to my money, mind your business. And if he knows where and when and what I did, I killed a witness then.